Ford's 700 HP Supercharger kit for the 2026 F-150 Lobo, the 2026 Ford F-150 Lobo. Already equipped with a robust 400 horsepower 5-liter V8 engine, can now be upgraded to an impressive 700 horsepower thanks to a factory-backed supercharger kit. This kit, sold through Ford Racing Parts, offers a significant performance boost for owners seeking enhanced power. Performance specs and cost: the supercharger kit utilizes a 3-liter Whipple supercharger and increases torque to 590 pound-feet, a substantial jump from the stock 410 pound-feet. The kit costs $10,250 and includes an intercooler, a Ford Performance calibration, and a Tomahawk calibration tool for optimized performance. Warranty and fuel requirements: Ford stands behind this upgrade with a 3-year or 36,000-mile warranty when installed by a Ford dealer or NGSE certified technician. However, the kit requires premium 91-octane gasoline to operate effectively. It is also important to note that the 2026 version is not currently certified for use in California. Why this matters: the availability of a factory-backed supercharger kit is notable because it allows F-150 owners to achieve high performance levels without voiding their vehicle's warranty. This contrasts with aftermarket modifications, which often carry risks regarding reliability and legal compliance. The kit's engineering to Ford's 100,000-mile durability standard further reinforces its quality and longevity. The Lobo street truck is arguably the vessel of choice for those who want the best of both worlds. This kit also caters to drivers who prefer the sound and feel of a powerful V8 engine over electric alternatives, such as the now discontinued F-150 Lightning. The Lobo's supercharger kit provides a compelling option for performance enthusiasts. Availability: for other models, the supercharger kit is also compatible with 2024-2026 Mustang GT and Dark Horse models, offering similar performance upgrades for sports car owners. In conclusion, Ford's factory-backed supercharger kit delivers a substantial power boost for the F-150 Lobo and Mustang models, backed by a warranty and engineered to Ford's rigorous standards. This upgrade provides a reliable and legal path to high-performance driving for enthusiasts.